This video from Shop Stuff, we're just taking a really quick look at the veg scoop version of the CAS AP scale that we offer. So if you've seen my previous video on the flat plate version of the machine, this scale is exactly the same, so it's got the same free line display, but it's got the same number of PLUs, so the 200 PLUs with the 28 direct button PLUs for easy call up of prices. It's obviously trade approved, stamped, ready to go. There are a few differences, obviously, other than the veg scoop. It's the actual height. When we make the veg scoop versions of the machine, we basically remove the flat plate and then fit a cradle which the scoop then sits on and calibrate it. Because of the design of the machine, the pole display actually appears at the back and is higher than on the flat plate version of the machine. So if you're looking to order one of these, double check the dimensions in the listing. I'll put the link to the listing in the information for this video. But other than that, the machines work the same way. So you've got the 28 PLU buttons here. You press your PLU button. You can't see it in the video because the pole display is so high, but it's come up with the price, the unit price for that PLU. You pop your items in the scoop, and then if we just pan the video up a touch, you can see that it's got the unit price for the item, the weight of the items, and then the total price at the top. So I'll pop those out. It's got the tare function on it like the flat plate one does, but it's not really relevant because obviously you've got the scoop. Effectively the scoop is the tare on these, so the scoop is 645, so you put that on and it zeroes out. So you've got different PLUs on there, so the programming of the PLU price is the same. You enter the price, 50p, press the MW button, hit your PLU key, and I've just hit PLU2. You couldn't see any of that pressing. Then when you press the PLU button, it comes up with a price on there. You pop your items in and it sells it at that preset rate. So these scales are available from the shopstuff.co.uk website. So you've also got the flat plate version. I'll put the link up to the flat plate version of the scale, which will be worth watching because I'll go into a bit more detail about the different functions of the scale that I can't cover in this video. I'll put links to where you can buy both of the scales online. The biggest advantage of the APs, as I mentioned in the other video, is the pole display. So if you're looking at CAS scales, the ranges below AP are junior and plus, and they don't have the pole displays. Obviously, in a lot of retail scenarios, getting the communication and the price communication with the customer is crucial. So that's where these poles come into their own. So yeah, check out the video links appearing on screen now for our other scales, or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.